Oh. On a couple of...
And Rick just got a Habu, and he's got a Corsair on the way, so.
Seems like a winner.
50%. Gear up. Max G. Minus 1 minute, land immediately.
We already did, I'm probably...
You got another 100 seat pack in there?
I got 2 more, but I'm not gonna probably... You wanna try it?
Try what?
100 seat pack?
Oh no.
Gear down. Take up landing flaps.
Can't ask for a better landing than that.
Whoa!
So much more predictable.
Chicago.
You get a window seat?
Huh?
Get a window seat?
Yeah.
There you go.
English up, I want to go
I
to
bet
park.
you that's what it was. That's why they were making it
Right?
like that.
I want to go to
50%.
Oh, I see fires. That takes fire.
Gear up.
I like how it sounds.
Huh?
Yeah!
Huh?
That
Time
would be
remaining
better.
3 minutes.
That would be better if you took a picture. Yeah.
Percent.
I took a pen.
Max G.
That one what? F-22? Take it off, left or right.
20.
No.
Yeah, I was watching a video on that and they were saying, absolutely not.
Nope.
That could be one of my real nails. It's just dip.
I like your real names. I like your real no. I like
I used to do that all the time until I had